Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Today, we will be discussing some of the craziest cryptocurrency investment stories, where individuals have gone from $1 to $1 million in just a matter of months or years. We will delve into their stories, strategies, and lessons learned, providing insight and inspiration to all those looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. Story 1. The Bitcoin Pizza Guy. Our first story dates back to 2010, where a Florida programmer named Laszlo Hanich exchanged 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 Papa John's pizzas. At the time, the 10,000 Bitcoin was worth only $41. Today, those same 10,000 Bitcoin would be worth over $500 million. Hanich's story serves as a cautionary tale for those who may be too quick to part with their cryptocurrency holdings. Story 2. The Dogecoin Millionaire. In 2013, a Reddit user known as throw-away-283,921 purchased 28,000 Dogecoins for just $15. Today, those same Dogecoins are worth over $1 million. The user's strategy was simple: hold onto the coins and wait for their value to increase. Dogecoin's recent surge in popularity, thanks to endorsements from Elon Musk and other celebrities, has only increased the user's fortune. Story 3. The Ethereum Whiz Kid. In 2017, an 18-year-old Canadian student named Vitalik Buterin founded Ethereum, a decentralized platform for building smart contracts and decentralized applications. Buterin's vision for Ethereum attracted a lot of attention from investors, and the platform's native cryptocurrency, Ether, quickly rose in value. Today, Buterin's net worth is estimated to be around $500 million, thanks to his early investments in Ethereum. Story 4. The Ripple Millionaire. In 2013, a California man named Jeremy Gardner invested $300 in Ripple, a cryptocurrency designed for international payments. Gardner's investment paid off when Ripple's value skyrocketed in late 2017, making him a millionaire overnight. Gardner went on to found Augur, a decentralized prediction market platform. Story 5. The Crypto Trading Prodigy. In 2013, a 19-year-old from New York named Jeremy Spence invested $15,000 in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. By 2017, his portfolio was worth over $1 million. Spence's strategy was simple: he studied the cryptocurrency market obsessively, and he made disciplined trades based on his analysis. Spence has since become a well-known figure in the cryptocurrency trading world, sharing his insights with others through social media and online courses. Conclusion. These are just a few of the many incredible stories of individuals who have made life-changing fortunes through cryptocurrency investments. While these stories may seem like they are from another world, they serve as inspiration for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. Remember to always do your research, stay up to date on market trends, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.